Tom here from Green Rhino. Our first of 2 jobs today. The dynamic duel, me and Brenda. Her and her LIB class, lady in black class. CIA looking. Alright, we'll see you at the job. Alright guys, so we showed up to the first job of the day. This is the second time I did it. And a repeat customer. And I remember I did it the first time. There's a pretty good video. I was highlighting the Power Flight multi-wash for pre-scrubbing, but you can tell, we got some staining. Not quite as bad as it was last time, but definitely ready for a good cleaning. Around there. So knowing that I cleaned this last time, came out pretty good, and I'm just gonna use carpet detail. I'm not gonna pump up the pH at all. All this is pretty normal wear and tear. Kind of dark in here. I'm gonna have to get some light in there. And in here. And this is also, yeah, it's not too bad. I just did a carpet just across the street the other day. Yeah, so the neighborhood's gonna know me. I'm gonna have to pick up all that stuff, and then move stuff back and forth, I don't move furniture, but these people are way out of town, and although I'm not going to move anything big, I'm still going to move stuff around for them and clean under. Great customers, I mean, if you're going to use me again, hey. And my dreaded stairs, I hate them. But I'm not going to talk about them because what you resist persists, right? So if I complain about these enough, all I'm going to get is 2 stories. But I charge for it, I charge a little bit more than a room for a staircase. So. Alright, so Brenda's getting it all prepped up, vacuuming with the protein vacuum right there. That, to me, is the best one out there for the price, about $3.50. And yeah, you can find all the tools I use in the link below the video. Yeah, just to let you guys know that I did start a course on cleaning carpets, starting your own carpet cleaning business 101. That'll be below all my videos too, so you guys ever want to go ahead and learn the details of starting your own business. I mean the details as far as cheap websites, easy websites, and getting yourself found online, and presentation, chemistry, all that. I explain that in there. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, so these guys are repeat customers. It just has a little musty smell in here, and just to help with that, I do kind of like deodorizer. I use the same stuff I use for deodorizer as far as enzymes for deodorizing. But what I do is, if I can get this thing to I dilute it I dilute it a lot, right? So it's not full concentrate. It's not costing me a lot of money to do this, but it's gonna help with that kind of musty smell. I kind of look at this as what I think on the final result. So they're out of town, so I'm not gonna give them a call and say, hey, you want to add a deodorizer to it? I'm just going to go ahead and hit these rooms that I think need it. It's going to make it smell a lot fresher. People will say, man, you're throwing away money. Well, if you get what you give, law of attraction. What you put out comes back to you. I'm not doing it for those selfish reasons, really, but it makes me feel better. Got my Ghostbuster pack on. Man, this sprayer, it's a Ryobi backpack sprayer. That's where it's one of my best investments. I love the fact that I don't have to pull out all my hoses and everything. Come out to pre-spray. I can knock this out, and Brenda can come in here and start pre-scrubbing. Then I can set up all my hoses and hook up the water line and pull all my hoses in, so more efficient. I think sprays just as good as Hydro Force. I guess a multi-sprayer is pretty much the same thing, but comes at a lot heftier of a price. But I think even with the multi-sprayer, you have to plug it in. This is battery operated. I'm not going to move all this stuff all around because I don't know where to put it. Alright, stay tuned. A little bit of extra here. What I like to do is go over the whole area with a nice even mist or spray, and then go back over the really heavily saturated areas or heavy soiled areas, and give it a little extra. Well, that area already looks good after she went over it with the scrubber and the pre-spray. I don't know if you can remember what this area looked like, but it's a million times better already. Okay, so there was a dark spot here. I went over it multiple times, pre-sprayed it again, scrubbed it again, and still just won't go nowhere. So I'm pretty sure it's organic, probably coffee stain. So I'm taking this called a spray and walk away proxy. You do a spray mist over it, and if it is organic stain, it'll disappear it. So I'm gonna call that one all I can do. All right, folks, it's a wrap. Everything came out looking good. Smells better. The cereal came out great. That spot, like I said, hopefully it'll lighten up. Stairs. And master. So I'm sure customer will be happy. I'll go ahead and let them know I'm finished. I'm gonna hit my finish button on my House Call Pro app. It texts them and lets them know I'm done with the job. I send an invoice and let them pay it online. That way, being that they're out of state. So, all right, guys, that's it. Let me know if you like what you saw. Go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like what you saw, don't worry about hitting that thumbs down. Just go ahead and unsubscribe from me immediately. You know, I don't understand. You know why some people watch other people's channels to thumb down them. I've never thumbs down the video. I don't know. It doesn't get to me that bad. It irritates me though. 1 or 2 thumbs down at the beginning. I'm like, what the heck? So anyway, yeah, let's call it a wrap. And we'll see you in the next one.